Have you ever wondered how creators hide objects, reveal text, or isolate parts of a video in After Effects? The secret is masking. In this tutorial, you'll learn what masks are, how to create them, the different mask modes, feathering, expansion, animation, and some practical examples you can use immediately. Let's get started. What is a mask? A mask is simply a shape that tells After Effects which part of a layer should remain visible and which part should be hidden. Think of it like cutting a hole in a piece of paper. You only see what's inside that hole. Masks work directly on a layer and are one of the most important tools in motion graphics and compositing. Creating your first mask. Select the layer you want to mask. At the top toolbar, you'll find Rectangle tool, Rounded rectangle, Ellipse tool, Polygon tool, Star tool, Pen tool. If you drag with one of these tools while a layer is selected, After Effects creates a mask. Press M on the keyboard to reveal the mask properties. You'll now see Mask Feather, Mask Opacity, Mask Expansion. These are the 4 controls you'll use most often. Understanding Mask Path. Mask Path controls the actual shape of the mask. You can move individual points, add new points, delete points, convert corners into smooth curves. Every mask has a mode that determines how it interacts with the layer. Add. This is the default mode. Everything inside the mask remains visible. Everything outside becomes hidden. You'll use this most of the time. Subtract. The opposite of add. Everything inside the mask is removed. Everything outside remains visible. Perfect for creating holes or cutouts. Intersect. Only keeps the overlapping area between multiple masks. Very useful when combining complex shapes. Lighten. Displays the lighter overlapping pixels. Useful in specific compositing situations. Darken. Keeps darker overlapping pixels, often used in advanced compositing workflows. Difference. Shows differences between overlapping mask regions. Produces interesting abstract effects. Less common for everyday editing. Inverted masks. Sometimes you want to hide the inside instead of the outside. Simply enable Invert. Now the visible and hidden areas switch instantly. Animating masks. Click the stopwatch next to Mask Path. Move forward in time. Adjust the mask. After Effects automatically creates another keyframe. Now your mask animates smoothly. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new about masking in After Effects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.